Today I'd like to tell you how to connect a range hood to a heat recovery system. Is it even possible?
Mods are possible because we have devices that eliminate grease and vapor. They're very simple. You can even make something like this yourselves. Here we have a good example. Otaye. The most important thing that we have here is the filter. A metal filter in a hood is usually quite thin, but here we have a thick, sturdy one. What does it do? All the grease along with the steam is supposed to condense and drip down onto this drip tray. Water condenses here onto this. Then we wash it in hot water. This is a filter that you never replace or throw away. You get it once and it's there for good. This is like a filter in a kitchen hood. Now what happens to the steam? It passes right through here. This is sealed. It passes right here. This tunnel inside has these fins. Even these larger ones, it is angled so that even if water drips inside, kakidamo, it will flow right back to the drip tray. And here we connect the range hood, inlet, outlet, no problem. That's how it works. But here we have water condensing. Now to make sure we don't lose too much warmth. Take a look here. We have the chamber which is cooled with air that goes from the air handling unit to the living room or some other space. And this way, in winter, we automatically warm up this air using the steam from the hood. Well, once the air from the hood has passed through this section, the grease will settle here, the steam will drain down here. We can send the air back to the unit to recover some of its heat. Oruswaj kan relasit do dejkrasjejta. That up to shitu, that how things are done in a zikina. But we can use this heat right here. Let's have a look at the air that is intended to flow into our living room or a bedroom. It enters here, then circulates all around this chamber, and then it exits here. By this stage, it has already been warmed up. The overall efficiency, which varies depending on the operating conditions and the airflow rates, is somewhere around 30–50%. If all of this air along with the warm steam after cooling was sent back to the unit, the efficiency increases to 70–80%. Is it really worth it using this device? You have to decide. Sometimes a ventilation chimney on a roof can cost as much as a specialized device that removes grease. And here we also have the option of heat recovery, but that's your decision. Because this device, technologically speaking, it's very simple to build, but it's a labor-intensive process. The filter itself is a little bit on the expensive side. It costs somewhere around 150–200 zlotys, but you only install it once. So, a device like this is typically in the range of 1,000 zlotys, perhaps a little more. You have to decide if you want to recover heat, use a chimney, let it flow outside. But this device has been made. We'll be releasing it very soon as it's passed all the preliminary tests. As I said, depending on the airflow from our hood and also on the flow of air we let through to warm it up, the efficiency is in the range of 30–50%. That's what we get from these fins in this tunnel. They are much larger. This has typically been used in industrial applications. And then it's been adapted for single family homes. If installing a roof chimney costs say 2000, then here we buy a device for 1000 or 1100 zlotys, and we have a device that will also recover heat. Will it pay off?
Sage it's a one-stove burner, has a power output of 3 kilowatts. If you recovered 1 kilowatt in winter, considering the price of electricity in Malta, one zloty or 1 zloty 20.
It would need to operate for approximately 2000 hours for this to have paid for itself. About 1 to 2000 hours specifically for cooking tasks. So if for instance you use it to cook for an hour every day, then it would take approximately 2 to 3 years to get a return on the investment. And we also get rid of steam, grease, grime. We end up with a clean system because all this accumulated gunk settles on the filter, and whatever doesn't settle there flows down. There's also always the option to wash this, since all dirt accumulates right here. Whatever doesn't get deposited here, about 10 to 20% settles inside within this chamber, but you can also clean that. You just have to take it out